If you've ever wondered how to find your shared notes in Evernote, this video is going to make it simple. Shared notes can sometimes feel hidden, especially if they were sent to you as part of a notebook, instead of as a single note. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly where to look so you can quickly open the notes that were shared with you and get back to work without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, please take a second to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step software tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your computer. Using the desktop version makes this process easier because the navigation sidebar is clearly laid out and you can move through your notebooks faster. Once Evernote opens, look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll see your main navigation options, including things like Notes, Notebooks, Tags, and Shortcuts. Now click on Notebooks in the left-hand navigation sidebar. This is an important step because shared content in Evernote is often organized at the notebook level rather than sitting in your general notes list. If someone shared an entire notebook with you, the notes inside it may not show up where you first expect them to. That's why starting with the Notebook section is the best way to locate them. After you open Notebooks, look carefully for a section or tab labeled Shared with Me. Depending on your Evernote layout or version, it may appear as a separate area or as part of your notebook list. This is where Evernote keeps notebooks that other people have shared with your account. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the full notebook area, because shared notebooks can sometimes be grouped below your personal notebooks. Once you find the Shared with Me section, click on it to open the shared notebook. When the notebook opens, you should see the note list inside it. These are the notes that were shared with you as part of that notebook. From here, you can browse the content, open individual notes, review information, and work with the shared material just like you would with your own notes, depending on the permissions the notebook owner gave you. If you're trying to find a specific note, use the note list inside the shared notebook and look through the titles carefully. Shared notes can sometimes be buried under similar notebook names or multiple shared folders, so checking the notebook title is a helpful way to make sure you're in the right place. If you still can't find what you need, double-check whether the note was shared individually or included in a notebook, because that changes where it appears. A quick tip here: if you collaborate often in Evernote, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your notebook list and shared sections regularly. That makes it much easier to find new shared content as soon as someone sends it to you. Also, if a shared note was updated by another person, refreshing the notebook view can help you see the latest version. And that's it. To recap, open the Evernote desktop app, go to Notebooks, find the Shared with Me section, and open the shared notebook to view the notes inside. Once you know where to look, finding shared notes in Evernote becomes quick and easy. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.